Hi guys, I'm here at the warehouse. Well, I'm at Vineland Premium Outlets, and of course there's my Banana Republic, and they've got winter coats on, and I've got a tank top on, and they still have no hair. Boo's like, that woman still got no hair. They need to put hair on those girls. Yeah, those girls need hair.
And
but,
shoes.
Oh yeah, and shoes. They don't have shoes on either. But they got winter coats on. Go figure that one out. But we are going into the character warehouse and going to check and see what's in there, if there's anything new, and check on prices. See if any prices have gone down yet. And last time I was in there, it was a Loungefly heaven. So we'll see what's in there now. Hey Boo, I found your friend. It's Zoltar.
Come on over and let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune.
They still have plenty of dog items here. They got the dog t-shirts. Got a rain jacket. Got some collars, some leashes. Oh, how long are these leashes? 4 feet for $5.99. If it was a little bit longer. Oh, here's a 6-foot one for $5.99. Ooh, hello. We still have a lot of the dishware. Drinking glasses, plates, bowls, mugs, and fake plants. Stitch is still here with some of the stuff. And also Winnie the Pooh items are still here. Alright, so they still have a lot of Loungeflies. The lunchbox bag. Oh, there's some ears. This is all from Pride Month. Ears are $5.99, so that's gone down. There's a lot of new clothing here. You got a lot of the electrical parade stuff, because here's the shirts too. $26 for the shirt. I believe the jacket only came in 2XL, and I want to say it was still 50 bucks. Oh, this is a new shirt. It's not too bad. Let me see. $35. Guys, there's a Captain Marvel jacket here for $35, and it is rubber. It's rubber plastic.
It's rubber, you say?
Yeah, rubber plastic. You can feel it. Alright, the music's kind of loud in here and the people, so I'm going to try to film and tell you guys as much as possible. But more or less, you can just kind of look around, and Captain Marvel stuff is there. Alright, we've got a Star Wars Chewbacca mug for $9.99. And it is a Starbucks mug. You got a little meal mug, or meal rat here for $21, and it's remote control. You can buy a Miss Piggy for $1.99. They still have the outfits, and they've also got Judy too. But they still have the outfits for $1.99. They still have some Christmas ornaments, $19.99, and these vary, I think $7.99, $12.99, $7.99 for that one. So $7.99 and $12.99. They have a lot of Star Wars items in here now. A whole lot. What is this?
Hey, did you want this pork?
$14.99. I want to say it's a fanny pack. Or a bum pack, whatever you want to call it. Fanny pack. Cute Loungefly bag. $45. And a wooden stormtrooper, in case you want it. Nothing really too new except for the stuff that came out with the electrical parade. Yeah, they got a lot of the Turning Red dolls, a lot. I'd still say it did not do that well. That's why it's here. Alright guys, that was it for the character warehouse. Music was loud, So you got a nice little array of music there for you. Lounge flies, still a lot of lounge flies, but not as many. And I was surprised to find that Electrical Parade mug. You know your girl had
Did you
to
say
get
there weren't a lot of lounge fly in there?
There's not as many as there has been.
The
They were lined up all around still. But there were some other ones that aren't there now that were there last time I was here. And then as we left, there was a line to get in. So
Yep.
we got here just at the perfect time. So if you can be here before 12:30, it would be good. I think that's probably the best time, before 12:30.
Tell them Boo
If it's
sent
after 12:30, yeah. Tell them Boo sent you, you'll get right in. They'll be like, boo-hoo. Huh? Don't cry. All right, guys. If you're new here, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Because I know if you're not new here, you've already hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, it's down
Yeah, it's
there.
down there.
Right there.
Yep. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and comment. Tell me what you liked about the video. What was your favorite product or item that I showed you inside the warehouse? That's what we can do. Comment your favorite item. Yeah, that works. And if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and we love you all. Mwah. Bye.